We're gonna make a poor man's stew. We're gonna start with 3 russet potatoes that we chopped up. We're gonna add 1 pound of ground beef to that. Get all the ground beef. And we're gonna take 1 medium onion that I diced up and put that in there. This is a great recipe for the winter time. Got some chopped up carrots, got some like thick chopped up carrots. So we got all that. Let's get that kind of mixed up together before we add the other parts. What's one of y'all's favorite crock pot recipes you make during the winter time? All right, once you got those, oh, got a couple potatoes we missed. All right, once you got all that together, we're gonna put in 2 cups of beef broth. 2 cups worth. And then we're gonna put in a can of diced tomatoes. Get that all mixed in there. Here comes my favorite part, the seasonings and whatnot. So we got 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. I like garlic, so I'm gonna do a little bit more than that. I'm gonna do about a teaspoon worth of salt, teaspoon worth of black pepper, about 2 teaspoons worth of Italian seasoning. Oh yeah. Then we'll just do a little bit of onion salt. Some people do onion powder. If you want just the onion part, we're doing a little onion salt. Okay, so we're gonna take all those ingredients, just kind of mix it all in there together so it's gonna cook nice and evenly throughout there. Some people take a mixing bowl and do these steps separately, but I figured it'd be less dirty dishes and simpler if I just did it all in one. That's smelling good already. We haven't even started cooking it. All right, so now that we got all that in there, we're gonna set the heat to high. And we're gonna close this and we're gonna check it in 3 to 4 hours. So check it in maybe 3 hours, but you wanna put it in there for 3 to 4 hours on high and we'll come back. All right, 4 hours later, let's check out our poor man's stew. Ooh, that smells good. What you think?
It looks and smells good.
Let's give it a little try skis.
Looks so healthy.
Healthy and just easy to make. Let's give it a little try skis. It's hot because I just pulled it out of there, so bear with me. That was really good. It's cheap too, which goes in the name. It's got good flavor to it. I highly recommend.